Want to copy files without opening File Explorer? Command Prompt gives you several ways to copy individual files, multiple files, and even entire folders. In this guide, I'll show you the basic copy command, how to handle spaces in file names, and when to use XCOPY instead. Let's get started. First, open Command Prompt and check your current location. Type CD and press Enter. Then use dir to see the files and folders in that location. Knowing your source and destination paths before copying helps prevent mistakes. To copy one file, use the copy command followed by the source file and destination. For example, copy report.txt:/backup. CMD will copy the file into the backup folder. You'll see a confirmation when the operation finishes successfully. If the file name or path contains spaces, use quotation marks around the complete path. For example, copy project report.txt ::d:/backup files . This tells CMD exactly where the source file is and where you want the copy to go. Yeah, quotation marks are important here. You can also copy multiple files with wildcards. For example, copy*.txt::d:/backup copies all txt files from the current directory into the backup folder. You can change the file extension to target other file types, such as JPG or PDF. For folders and larger copy jobs, you can use XCOPY. For example, XCOPY project d:/backup/project/e. The /e option includes subfolders, including empty ones. This is useful when you want to copy an entire directory structure instead of just individual files. After copying, use dir on the destination folder to confirm the files are there. You can also compare the source and destination manually when the data is important. Don't assume a command succeeded just because the window is still open. Check the result. And that's how to copy files using CMD. Use Copy for basic file transfers, wildcards for multiple files, and XCOPY when you need to copy folders and their contents. Always double-check your source and destination paths before pressing Enter. So, once you get used to these commands, file transfers become pretty quick.